He made me great, so let me be great. Like, I woke up wanting to be a diva. I woke up wanting to be full face, out of control. This doesn't happen very much, but you know what? I just felt it. Felt it in my bones, even though I have nowhere to go today. So how do you like it? Do I look fresh and fabulous? I already know I do, so don't even have to call. It's because I'm moving out. I got stuff over here looking like a mess. You know, it's just kind of sad because I do love Toronto. But you know what? All good things have to come to an end eventually. Except for when you live with God and live with Christ, they don't end. They don't end. You're good for life. You're good and golden. So don't let anyone tell you different. Don't let anyone tell you. My roommates moved out, so my friend can just chill with me for the last couple weeks that I'm here, and I'm excited because I can just do whatever. Like today when I did my makeup for no reason, you know, it was fun because I got to experiment with like different like looks. Like, do I look good with this much makeup? Should I wear less? Should I wear more? Like, I could basically just kind of figure it all out, you know. But yeah, like, so I'm really sad actually though. I used to be really good at frowning. Like my sister would always tell me, Kara, dang, you're better at frowning than you are at smiling. I was like, girl, I know, I'm really good to live. If you ever want to move to Toronto, definitely Fort York is amazing. And I don't know, I just find like the type of people that live here are like in their 30s. So I probably would move here with like 4 kids and a baby on the way. Probably not. Or like if you have a huge dog, like it's cool, but you know, I feel kind of bad like taking them to the city anyway. But there is a lot of place to walk around, take them to the park, that sort of thing. But you better take them out for walks, okay guys? Don't like neglect. Imagine being born with these lashes. But I think they would legit get in my way. The weight that my eyelids have to endure, you know, batting would take just too much time out of my day, you know, I'm gonna keep my little lashes. But yeah, this is my place. Like we got a room here. We have the living room, and it's currently just being destroyed by like packing, and I don't really care too much about cleaning because like legit I'm leaving. But it's not messy or anything, it's just chill. And then we got a bathroom, we got a closet, we have a laundry, I don't know why I closed that, laundry, we have a wash and dryer, and then we have another bathroom, and then we got a door. Yeah, so this is what it was like living here. Calendar, there's my room. You guys don't need to see because it's a mess. I'm just gonna lie to you guys and say I am very neat and tidy. I try to be, and I'm getting better. Don't worry. Don't worry, future husband. I'll be A1 for you. Shout out to him. And here's my views from my balcony. To be honest, I get a little scared to this day, and I've been living here for 2 years. I'm on a high floor. I'm not gonna tell you what floor, just in case. But like it's pretty freaky to me. Like I have to hold on to the side because I'm still like scared. Like this is how I walk, right close to the side, right to the side. Oh my gosh, oh, it scares me. See? I can't do it, guys. I legit can't do this. Like, it's giving me, like, I can't do it. Whew. I can't. I just get scared, guys. I get scared. But yeah, I'm sad. This is just a little video to share how sad I am to leave Toronto. I've loved you, you know, I've been here for 6 years or so, and I loved you. You know, as long as it lasted, I loved you, you know. As long as I was here, we shared, you know, a connection. A connection that nobody will be able to remove, you know. Something that we share that nobody else can share. Like, it was special. It was special. So, sad to say, Toronto. I'll see you later. Actually, goodbye. Actually, I'll be back. Welcome to my workout video. We're gonna do 50 squats. Let's go. Ready? And I already did almost 20, so. 1, 2, 3.